Hello guys, I want to do an unboxing video of the Cardwallet. This is a new cold storage used for Bitcoin, and this cold storage was made by Coinfinity and the Austrian state printing house. So it's a cooperation of both of them. This card has a private key and a public key on top of it with a lot of different security features. We will go through this later. This is the Christmas edition, so the packaging, the Christmas edition, which has nice little graphics with the Santa Claus and so on. And it even has a small area where you can open it and you can see the actual public key, so the Bitcoin address of this card inside. And you can now, for example, send some Bitcoin to this address, and the one who you give it to, this card, he can then access the Bitcoins later on with the private key. So it's nice for a gift, or you can also use it for your own to store it in a safe or something like this. So let's get right into it, and I will now open this this Cardwallet. So let's unwrap it here. You can read here the advantages of this Cardwallet, like it's extremely durable, lasting and forgery proof. Also about the Cardwallet, some more information for you, also the starting page, so you can check out that. And inside there is actually now this Cardwallet. It looks like this. We can take it out from here again with some information how to use it, and that's actually the card. And you have here the Bitcoin address, the public key where you can send the Bitcoins to. The address is also written here with numbers. And at the back you can see there is the seal where the private key is. So if you somehow later on need access to your private key to get to your Bitcoins, you can break the seal here and it will reveal the private key, and with the private key you then can get access. You also have this chain lock code. This chain lock code is information about the card, if it's really from the Austrian state printing house. So they have an app, it's called Chain Lock. You can find it on the Play Store, for example. And if you scan this code, it will give you the information about this card. The Austrian state printing house is responsible for creating the passports of Austria. So you can totally trust in them. And this complete generation of this private key is based on some secure entropy technology from Coinfinity. It's a combination of several entropy sources, so they are mixed up together. It's a lot of different random information that is going into the private key generation, so nobody can guess what is the private key. And even if somebody would, there's also some manual step behind, some transparent auditable entropy source where somebody is also rolling some dice, and then these dice are put inside the generation of the private key. And the private key is also then combined with some randomization by the Austrian state printing house. So both together will actually then make this private key. So this was the unboxing of the Cardwallet. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.